Can you put your seatbelt on, please? Seatbelt.
Alright, hold on.
Child.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so we're doing something new today. We're in our car. We're going somewhere.
Whose car would it be if it wasn't ours?
Okay, whatever. So I said, why not do my makeup in the car? So you better drive okay. Don't be driving too crazy because I can't be looking a hot mess. So I'm gonna do my makeup in the car and hopefully it comes out great, you know? So let's begin with the makeup. Okay. I haven't started yet. You're over here trying to speed up.
Do you want me to go half a mile an hour the entire way?
Don't go too fast, please.
You're just trying to give yourself more
Alright,
time.
so I got my makeup bag here. Let's see. I don't even know like where to start. So I don't have anything on my face.
Skin.
Just skin. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first because that's what I usually do first. Alright guys. I got 30 minutes. And I gotta look cute. I love using my Elmer's glue for my eyebrows. Are you like
Laughing at the fact that you put glue on your face? Yes.
Alright, so this is what I usually do. Excuse my kid, he's in the back seat acting a mess. Alright, child. Alright, so now I have that brushed. Now I'm gonna, ooh, let me just stop talking and just keep doing my face. Everything at, guys. Everything special here. Don't be speeding up now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, I have my eyebrow pencil right here. Brow powder. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. Oh my goodness. This is hard. Okay. I gotta shape it. Am I really doing this right now? This is crazy. Babe, stop! Oh my goodness. How am I doing this right now? I'm like scared.
Well, you're the one that has to walk around in public with a messed up face. It's wrong.
that is disgusting. Put that window down, please. Alright guys, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I can't. Alright, so now I'm gonna conceal my eyebrow. Alright, I think I got the eyebrows. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I can't. Guys, so now I'm going to prime my face. Do you even know where you're at?
Nope.
Prime my face. I'm using my primer serum from Wet n Wild. I gotta hurry up before I do the eyeliner because then you're gonna mess me up. I know it. I can feel it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Well, is it blended right? Because I can't really see with this small little mirror.
Well, you're just gonna have to trust your instincts.
All right. Well, we're gonna be going out looking. I'm gonna be looking like a.
You can just walk with them and I'll walk somewhere else.
Ah! All right. So I'm gonna use my concealer. Guys, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Oh, you know, I need to spray my face. Spray my face.
Just spray your face, not me.
Did I spray you?
Yeah, I don't want that crap. It smells
It's
like,
refreshing though.
no, it smells like old lady
No,
and
it's
cinnamon.
really refreshing.
It smells gross.
It smells like old lady.
And cinnamon. Like if you took a really old mothbally lady and dipped her in cinnamon. Come on, Larry.
How far is this way?
We got another 25 minutes. Oh, not Larry. Lenny. Lenny, student driver. You're going well under the speed limit. Should I mess with the new driver?
Lenny.
Well, I think Lenny is in the passenger seat teaching a student driver.
Oh no, don't mess with that.
tailgate them, see what they do.
Alright, I think I got this. I can't even really see with this small mirror, man. I just hope I look okay. Spray my face.
Stop spraying that old lady crap.
Alright guys, I'm gonna use my setting powder. But I hope this don't go everywhere. So you better be careful because
I don't want that crap in my car.
you will have all this crap in your car.
Hey, I'm gonna hold this because I don't trust you.
Alright. So let's put the right one I feel. Ah! I'm probably gonna regret this.
I'm not. It's gonna be funny either way.
Okay.
Come on, Lenny.
Go past him.
Oh yeah, with oncoming traffic.
He will die. Yo, Lenny is upset with you right now.
I mean, I'm upset with Lenny.
Alright, so what am I supposed to do after this? Oh, okay. I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the same concealer. Oh my goodness, this all looks too funny. We should wipe this down. Alright, I conceal. Now I got a contour. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal contour stick. Contour.
Whoa,
My
see
big
Lenny
forehead.
in that car. If you don't see Lenny in that car.
Oh, come on, Lenny.
Well, you got to go straight.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, Lenny is gone. Lenny's
Say
not
bye-bye, Lenny.
Lenny. Not Lenny.
Oh, excuse me. Did I say the name wrong?
Yep.
Whoa. What? Yo, can you imagine if you do that when I'm doing my freaking liner?
We won't have to imagine.
Keep the eyes on the road, boy.
I watch everything.
All right, can I have this powder back?
Ew.
What did you do?
Me? You just shot powder all over my car.
All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and begin with my show me your cheeks, my peach, pink. What is
You're
this?
showing
Blush.
people your peach what?
My blush over here. I'm gonna put some blush. A girl loves blush. Oh! I think people are staring at me like
Stop.
I'm crazy. Do I have enough blush? Oh, babe! What the heck? Let's wipe that down.
Here, let me help you get the side.
Oh my goodness!
What happened?
He's trying to help me, but he's not. Alright, close my. Oh, now this is gonna be hard because we're doing our eyes. Woo! Alright,
Is that fun?
I'm scared.
I'm not scared.
Why my eyes look smaller right now when I'm like
I'm
trying
not
to.
scared in the car.
Oh, quick stop.
Oh! Oh, you gotta hurry up. There's a car right there. Ah! Ew.
This is going to be dangerous.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to hurry up because this is a good time to do my eyes.
To die.
No, because you're stopping. Oh! Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to wing my liner. This is the only wing you can get, guys. Look at this. Guys, I advise you not to do your makeup in the car. Don't do this. Don't do this in the car. Look, I can't. I'm gonna have to leave it like this. Beautiful. Okay.
We got 10 minutes.
10 minutes! My Grande mascara. Drama mascara. Oh, now this you better be careful. Oh my god, this is. Oh! I just messed up my eye. I'm a pro, man.
Oh, stop.
You just messed up my eye! I think I'm done. What do you think?
You did good.
You trying to get me? All right, guys. So this is how it looks. I don't know really how it looks because my mirrors are super small, but I hope you guys think it came out cute. What do you think?
Looks good.
Everything is blended and stuff. I mean, nobody's gonna look at me like that.
You got some.
Really? I didn't blend it over there? I think it's okay, guys. I just did something super simple because this one over here was trying to mess me up.
I didn't do anything. I was just driving.
So you think it's okay for me to go out with you like this in public?
Sure.
Okay. Well, guys,
You just walk with them.
I'll walk with you. I'll hold your hand like a beautiful couple that we
No,
are.
actually, you did a good job.
I did a good job,
Yeah.
and it was pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
It took me like what, like 10?
30 minutes.
It did not take me 30 minutes.
Yeah, it did.
Dang, that's a long time. It should take me like 10.
It should.
But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge that I did with my husband driving the car, me doing my makeup.